How to unsend a mail in Gmail after 1 hour. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unsend a mail in Gmail after 1 hour. Now let's get started. First, head over to your Google Chrome. After you're on your Google Chrome, simply search for mail.google.com and log in into your account. After you've done that, you will need to request the desktop site. Now you'll see the three dots on the bottom right. Tap on it and scroll down till you see request desktop site. Tap on it. So after you request the desktop site, this should open up right here. Now what you'll need to do is head over to the settings that's on the top right. You will see this right here, settings. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you should see an option that says see all settings. Tap on see all settings. And after you tap on it, you should be on the settings page. Now make sure that you're on the general tab. And after you're on general tab, scroll down and now there you should see an option that says undo send. Now this is basically the send cancellation period. What you'll need to do here is increase the time period. Now as you can see right here, there is no way to increase it to an hour, but there is an option to increase it up to 30 seconds. Now what this does is it gives you more time to rethink your mail after you've sent it, and between 30 seconds you can just undo the mail or unsend it. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you can cancel or unsend a mail in your Gmail. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.